everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to see you here. In this lesson, we'll practice English by listening to a fun little story. You can also shadow along if you like. Shadowing means repeating the sentences with me, almost like copying my voice. Here's how you can do it. Pause the video after each line, then try to say it just the way I say it. This will help your speaking sound more natural. Now, let's start with today's story. I arrive in New York City today. It is my very first time here. I feel excited, but also a little nervous. The city looks big, busy, and full of energy. At the airport, I take a taxi to my hotel. I sit in the back seat and look out of the window. Tall buildings pass by, cars honk, people walk fast on the sidewalks. Everything feels new to me. When I reach the hotel, I check in and get my room key. I go upstairs, open the door, and put my bag down. I sit on the bed for a moment. I feel tired from the long flight, but more than tired, I feel hungry. I don't want to wait. I want food right now. So I decide to go out and find something to eat. I walk down the street. The air smells like food. Pizza, hot dogs, coffee. I look around until I see a small restaurant. It looks simple but nice. I go inside. I order a chicken sandwich and fries. The cashier gives me the food in a paper bag. I look around for a place to sit. The restaurant is crowded. Almost all the tables are full. Finally, I notice one table with only one woman sitting there. She's older, maybe in her 60s. She looks calm. I don't know her, but I ask, "Can I sit here?" She nods and says, "Hello." I sit down across from her. I take out my sandwich and put the bag on the table. I start eating slowly. The woman is quiet. I am quiet too. For a few minutes, everything feels normal. Then, something strange happens. The woman takes a fry. Just like that, her hand goes to the fries. She eats it, as if nothing is strange. I freeze. My eyes go wide. I think, wait, what? Did she just take my fry? I don't say anything. She looks calm, like this is normal. I wonder if maybe she's confused. I keep eating my sandwich. A few minutes later, she takes another fry. What? Again? I think. My face feels hot. My stomach feels funny. But still, I don't say anything. I tell myself, maybe she thinks these fries are hers, maybe she forgot, maybe she made a mistake. But then she takes another one. Now I feel nervous. I keep looking at the fries. There are not many left. I want to take one before she eats them all, but I wait. I want to see what she does. She stays calm, eating slowly like nothing is strange. I feel so confused. Finally, I take one fry myself. I eat it just to show they are mine. She doesn't stop me, but then she takes another one. This is crazy, I think. Why is she doing this? Is this a joke? Am I on a hidden camera show? I don't understand. I don't know what to do.
I don't want to fight with an old woman, but I also don't want to lose all my fries. I eat the last part of my sandwich and stop touching the fries. I just sit and wait. She waits too. Then she smiles, picks up the very last fry and eats it. The last one. My heart drops. I feel so shocked. She ate all of them. I sit there in silence, too embarrassed to say a word. Finally, I decide to leave. I take a deep breath, stand up, and reach for my bag. And then I see something inside. I stop. I look again. Inside my bag is a full box of fries. Fresh, untouched, still warm. I feel my face turn red. My heart beats fast. All this time, the fries on the table were hers, not mine. I was the one eating her fries, not the other way around.
She never complained. She never asked, "Why are you eating my food?" She just smiled and stayed calm. I whisper, "I'm sorry." She nods kindly, says, "Have a nice day," and walks away. I sit there holding my real fries, feeling so embarrassed. I thought she was stealing from me, but it was me stealing from her the whole time. What a mistake. What a woman. What a day. Now, this story is funny, but it also teaches us something. Mistakes happen in life and in language. Just like Elena thought she was right, we sometimes think we say English words correctly, but later we realize we made a mistake. And that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid. Don't stop. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Every mistake helps you grow. So be like Elena. Accept mistakes, learn from them, and move forward with a smile. And remember, the old woman in the story stayed calm and patient. You should be patient with yourself too. English takes time, but if you are here practicing shadowing, you are already improving. Now, let's practice some useful phrases from the story. I put my bag down. I go out. Take out the fries. Do you want fries? What is going on here? The fries are gone. Repeat after me. Great work today. Thanks for practicing with me. Remember, learning English is a journey. Sometimes it's confusing, but every step makes you better. See you in the next video.